Good day everyone, in today's video we're going to help you with fixing your TikTok notifications. If you aren't getting any, or they are just popping out, we're gonna show you a few ways how to fix them. First, the simple way, go to TikTok and open the app. Be on your profile and select the three dots on the top. Here, scroll a bit down and select push notifications. They're the first option in content and activity. And here you can see all the notifications that you will be getting if something goes out. Like if somebody likes your content, if somebody comments on something, if you have a new follower, if you have new mentions. Make sure for all of these to be turned on if you want to receive notifications for them. As well, if you want to receive notifications for direct messages, videos from accounts that you follow, or video suggestions. Also, if you want, you can turn on live videos and recommendations, and that's it, pretty much. If you want, you can turn some of them off, like if you don't want any video suggestions coming in, etc. Fully customizable. This is one of the options that might be preventing you from receiving notifications on TikTok. The other one might be from your options. So go to your settings on your phone and find your notifications. Click on them and let's find TikTok. There it is. Open it and make sure it says notifications enabled right here, because if it's turned off like this, you won't receive any notifications even if they're turned on in the application. So make sure to have this turned on. And as a final one, you can just simply search apps, find your app management, find apps, search for TikTok, and just force stop it. And this will basically restart the app. So these are three common methods to fixing those problems. And we hope we helped with that, and if we did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day!